back to the channel, my friends. I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Chris. You're watching Snow Boss, and we're gonna hook up some plows and get the brine tanks filled and see if we can't do some work here. Let's get into it. We're just out here getting some things ready. There's a chance of some snow later on. Doesn't look like it's going to amount to much, but we're going to get things a little bit ready here because one report says 1 to 3 and another report says less than a ½ inch. So we'll see. Alright, plow's hooked up. Now we're gonna throw some tank full of brine. Again, we're not expecting to plow anything. However, we are expecting to have to throw brine down, so we're gonna do that. We're actually gonna be bringing this truck to where it belongs for the season, and so that's why we're hooking up the plow even though we don't need it. So that's what we're doing. So right now we're pumping out of the frac tank into the truck tank through here, and then pretty shortly that's 950 gallons, and then I will be switching these valves, put 50 gallons of additive in, and that'll give us our 95.5 mix. So as soon as it gets to 1050. Alright, so then we turn off this valve, turn off this valve. So this is connected to the air. We open that up, and that's gonna blow out the line, and then it'll start bubbling on top. That gets all the extra out of this line because there's about 5 gallons in the line and we don't want to waste that. So then we close that up, come over back over here, turn off the air. So right now there's pressure in here, so we just get the pressure out, open it up, and then see, nothing. No excess comes out then, so that's how that gets done. So this truck's ready to go. We're gonna pull this out and get the other truck hooked up and plow and fill it with solution and go from there. What's up, guys? We're just out here putting a pre-treatment down. It is snowing to our west where Snow Boss Jr. is, which is about an hour 40 minutes away out toward Harrisburg. So it's snowing there a little bit. He says they only got about 1/4 inch, so that's heading our way. So right now we're just pre-treating, doing that. Sorry, difficult to control the controls and steer and do the videoing. But anyway, so we're out here doing that. We're just about wrapped up. So then what we'll do is we'll wait for any snow to come, if it even snows. Winter weather advisory for like less than a ½ inch and then 1/10 inch of ice. I can show you some stuff. So this is what my cockpit looks like. So right now the run hold is pausing it. I have all my booms on. I was manual mode because I was backing up to that dock there. So we got that real nice. Unfortunately it is nighttime, but so we got that nice and good. So now I will switch to auto. We're doing 45 gallons per acre, and then as I go here, I like to use the handheld with the on-off. so we're gonna have it spray. So right now, I'm gonna show you. So right now I'll get to about 12 miles per hour. It will stay at 45 gallons per acre automatically now as we go. And we'll regulate that as per my speed. So yeah, that's what that looks like in here. And if I go too fast, it will drop, and then I have to slow down a little bit. So you can see it flirting with 40, so I can go about 13 miles or 14 miles an hour, and it'll stay good through there. So that's how we pre-treat. Post-treat, we just switch to higher outflow nozzles, and then up it up to 80 or to 100 or to whatever we feel like spraying at that rate, and that's how that gets done. So sorry it's dark out. Unfortunately it's winter and it gets dark early because it is only 6:30, but in any event, we're out pre-treating and see if we get any more snow, and then we'll be able to treat it again. All right, I am out, so now I need to refill, and we'll show you how that goes. Look it up here. Open that valve. Close that valve. Open that valve. Open this valve. Throttle up. That's it. Let her fill up. Takes about 9 minutes. Starting to get some snow. Very, 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 very light. But should be picking up here shortly, so see how long this pre-treat holds up and go from there. All right, guys, so this was the silliest storm. It is, I don't know, almost 2 o'clock in the morning. We have like 3/4 of an inch, maybe close to an inch in some spots. Other spots, my pre-salt, I was heavy enough because I hit my priorities a little bit heavier, so it's translucent. So I'm gonna do really quick scrapes in a few spots, so then I could just burn it off quick with the brine. So let's see what we got. I'm gonna use my man Ken's loader here, just test it out. Guys are just tidying up now, doing some spraying. Hose reel is great. About 100 foot of hose. Over here, hit some of this on the edges. Hit these stupid anti-slip mats. Hit this door. And the rest I can hit with the truck. Just gotta hit the winding. That's how you do a sidewalk with the reel. Finishing up. guys, so that's gonna do it for this event. Nice little run. Had to do a little bit of scraping, not much. Just on the north sides of the buildings. Got one more thing to go brine, but that's about it. As you can see, all nice and clear. If you like what you see, guys, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and hopefully we'll see you next video. Another snowstorm. Let's go.